Players. So in new court filings, Frumpy Dump has decreed and declared that he does not have enough money to put up that bond in New York to file his appeal. He said he ain't got enough. He can put something on it. He got about 100 million. I can't. But he just testified in his deposition that he was worth billions of dollars. But they're saying that his money is tied up in real estate. Y'all go ahead and grab your tea and have a seat. Let's get into it. So in new court filings, Frumpy Dump and his Cracker Jackbox legal team decreed and declared that he might have to sell his properties to pay that $454 million fraud fine in New York. So as previously reported, honey, on Monday, Frumpy Dump filed notice of appeal. Let me make sure I say notice loud and proud, honey, because the last time y'all was losing y'all minds in the comments on Tickety Talk. I declare, honey, what a disgrace. So today in new court filings, Frumpy Dump offered the New York Appeals Court a bond of only $100 million to pause the collection of their $454 million judgment while he appeals. Now remember, it is law that he has to put up or shut up the entire $454 million before he can even file an appeal. But today, Frumpy Dump asked the court to just take something on it, meaning $100 million. In addition to Frumpy Dump and his Cracker Jackbox legal team decreeing and declaring that Frumpy Dump only has $100 million to put up or shut up, he is also asking for the court to delay a wide range of other punishments the judge in the fraud case levied in his decision earlier this month. They're asking for a delay in the enforcement of Frumpy Dump's ability to be able to obtain a loan from a New York bank for 3 years, and also the ban on running a company in the state during the 3-year period. Now, one appellate court judge was hearing the request from Frumpy Dump today and was expected to issue a decision shortly after. If the judge were to grant the pause, it would only be temporary. Frumpy Dump would still have to persuade a larger panel of appellate judges to keep the judgment on hold. So according to a review of Frumpy Dump's financial records by the New York Times, Frumpy Dump's net worth is largely derived from real estate, not cash. As of last year, he was sitting on more than $350 million in cash, as well as stocks and bonds. Now, this is according to his own records, and we already know how Frumpy Dump's records can be deceiving. I declare, honey. What a disgrace. Attorney General Letitia James' office has responded to the filing, honey, asking the appeals court to deny Frumpy Dump's request. She said, and I quote, "There is no merit to the defendant's contention that a full bond or deposit is unnecessary because they are willing to post a partial undertaking of less than a quarter of the judgment amount. Defendants all but concede that Frumpy Dump has insufficient liquid assets to satisfy the judgment." Listen, like I told you before, Frumpy Dump sat in that deposition and said that he was worth billions of dollars. He said his name alone was worth $1 billion. So why don't he just sell his name? Frumpy Dump can't get no loans. He gonna have to sell some shit. Baby, I can't wait to see what the New York Appeals Courts come back with. Players, put your thoughts in the comments. Frumpy said he ain't got the whole thing. He can put something on it. I can't stop laughing. Put your thoughts. This is Don't Do.